What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset settings for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 or DMZ, heck even multiplayer and the campaign. To do so, all we need to do is press Start and E at the same time to bring up a new Windows File Explorer. Head across to Documents and we'll look for Call of Duty. There's nothing next to it, it's just Call of Duty. Open it up and inside here we'll find Players. This is where all of your settings for Call of Duty are located. You'll see different folders relating to Blizzard, Steam IDs, etc. And opening up one of the folders, you'll find a bunch of different settings. We have multiplayer, DMZ, single player, battle royale, and CP, I assume that's campaign. These are all different settings relating to all different aspects of the game. If we head back a folder to the players folder here, you'll see a bunch of settings here as well. I'm pretty sure these settings in this folder here are backups or something along those lines based on whatever platform you're using, and these ones here are the active settings. If you'd like to reset your settings, just delete these files here and probably this CFG file as well. As you can see, the CST option file here has a bunch of different settings and things inside of it, which you can probably customize to your liking. And when you've deleted it and next choose to start up the game, these files should be regenerated and your settings reset to practically factory new. Now, a quick side note, if you find that your game settings are resetting instead of actually saving whenever you restart the game, say your resolution changes and setting it in-game has no effect after a restart, the simple solution to that is to change the settings to your liking, then right-click this Options 3 COD22.cst file, select Properties, and on the General tab, make sure to tick Read Only, Apply, and OK. The next time the game tries to change some settings, it shouldn't be able to save them, as this file here is read-only. So if you change your settings, restart your game, they'll go back to where they were inside of this locked file here. It can only read. If you'd like to change settings, just make sure to unlock this file first, apply OK, change your settings, and lock it once more if your settings are changing or resetting after restarting Call of Duty. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. Hopefully it helped you. I've been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!